How to fix smart lock not working in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps, and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Google Play Services. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Google Play Services. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings, and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.